How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can loop an object perfectly in Geometry Dash. So let's say that you have designed a complex design on your level and you simply want to loop this onto your level. It's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you are inside the edit function. Deselect everything, and then you want to press shift on your keyboard, and while you're at it you can just click and drag over the blocks that you want to loop perfectly. So in my case it's going to be this one, and from here you can just click on the copy and paste option, move our perfectly looped object, and then you can just do the same thing where you can then press and hold the shift button, click copy and paste, and then you can just keep doing this until you basically got what you wanted. So let's just do that again, where we copy our object, click copy and paste, and move it to our level right here. And so in that way, you will be able to simply copy or loop your objects perfectly on Geometry Dash right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.